Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology, bringing you an update on the extreme temperatures forecast across the weekend and what that means for fire potential and also heatwave conditions. Now we know we've had a pool of hot air sitting through inland Australia for weeks on end now. We've seen some very high temperatures already recorded. In the south yesterday we did have a weak change move through, so some relief in the south, although Adelaide's still expecting to reach a top of 39 degrees today. On Saturday that change will continue to just gradually move northwards. Ahead of it, we'll see the winds pushing that hot air towards the coast of New South Wales, and Saturday is the day where through parts of New South Wales and Queensland we could experience our hottest days this summer, and we do expect to see some temperature records be broken on Saturday. Now Sunday though is the critical day. The northwesterly wind will strengthen ahead of this change, and when you combine that, those gusty winds will have average winds of 50 kilometres per hour, but gusts up to potentially 80 kilometres per hour. When you combine those wind gusts with these hot temperatures, we do expect to see elevated fire dangers, which I'll touch on soon. There will be some relief with these southwesterly winds bringing cooler air into southern parts of New South Wales on Sunday, and that will continue to move northwards on Monday. So some relief more broadly through New South Wales on Monday and also for southern parts of Queensland, but we will have this hot air persisting through parts of central Queensland, also along the coastal fringe. So with the fire danger ratings that we can expect to see through New South Wales on Sunday, extreme to potentially catastrophic fire dangers through the central tablelands or the tablelands districts and also the Hunter region. So please on Saturday and Sunday be listening into advice from emergency services and staying up to date with all the latest forecasts on the Bureau's website. These predictions could change as we get closer to Sunday, but very dangerous conditions that haven't been experienced in New South Wales since 2013 are forecast currently. Now let's take a look at some of the temperatures that we can expect to see. Very hot in Sydney on Friday and Saturday, but the cool change is now expected to come through a little earlier on Sunday, so only expecting a top of 30 degrees. But just in the western suburbs, still expecting to reach 41 degrees on Sunday. Very hot through the Hunter on Saturday, 46 degrees at Cessnock, and on Sunday potentially catastrophic fire dangers through that region before some relief from that cool change on Monday. Moree hasn't seen a day below 35 degrees since Boxing Day, and over the next few days still expecting to be at or above 40 degrees at least through till Monday. Brisbane very hot again on Saturday and Sunday. Some chance that the cool breeze will bring some relief on Sunday, but still expecting at this stage to reach 39 degrees. And Stanthorpe up on the Granite Belt expected to reach 38 degrees on Saturday, and that'll be a new February record for daytime temperatures for Stanthorpe. So with these high daytime temperatures, we also have high nighttime temperatures, and that's leading to a continuation of the heat wave across the weekend, with severe to extreme expected through New South Wales and the severe extending into southern Queensland. So with heat wave conditions and elevated bushfire potential, please make sure that you're following advice this weekend from emergency services and staying up to date with all the latest forecasts and warnings from the Bureau's website and the Bomb Weather app. You can also follow us on Twitter.